we'll see the basic Amharic alphabets, the 34 and the 18 special Amharic alphabets. After that, we will see each subgroups under each 34 Amharic alphabet. So when I show you the Amharic alphabet, you will tell me, okay, the name of the alphabet. The first one is this one. What is the name of the alphabet? Just if you say Ha, you are right, okay? There are two alphabets, okay? I made them, both of them together. The reason is that because they are similar, okay? Their name is what? Ha, okay? Both of them are Ha, but in order to differentiate them, they have their own name, okay? This one is what? Haletau Ha, Haletau Ha. Whereas this one is Hamaru Ha. But both of them are what? Ha, okay? Ha. So, if you say Ha, then you are correct. This one is Haletau Ha, whereas this one is Hamaru Ha. So, both of them are similar. We can use both interchangeably, okay? But commonly, when we write in Amharic language, there is no rule, but we'll see that. If you use one in other place, if you use them interchangeably, you can, but sometimes, commonly they are not accepted to write something with one Ha and the other Ha. There is a common law, okay, but not written. But both of them are similar. So, if you use them interchangeably, you can, okay? Both of them are Ha, Ha. This one is Haletau Ha, whereas this one is Hamaru Ha, okay? Ha. So, the first Amharic alphabet is this one, Ha. Which Ha? Haletau Ha. And this one is the third, okay? Hamaru Ha is the third Amharic alphabet. Okay? The next Amharic alphabet is what? Just see and tell me. It's called what? La. Okay, La. Both of them are similar, okay? This one is also La. This one is also La, okay? So, you can, this one has no difference. Only their difference is when you write them, okay? Both of them are La and La, okay? They have no difference. So, the first one is also La. The second one is also La. So, no difference, okay? So, the second Amharic alphabet is what? La, okay? La. How about this one? It's called what? Just see and tell me. It's called Ma, okay? Ma, Ma. To pronounce it, you can use M-E. When you read M-E, it's me, but Ma, Ma, M-E, Ma, okay? It's called what? Ma, Ma. The other basic Amharic alphabet is called what? It's called Sa, okay? Both of them are Sa, okay? They are similar. Like I said you previously, there are two kinds of Ha, Haletau Ha and Hamaru Ha. These also are both Sa, okay? The first one is called Nugusu Sa, okay? Nugusu Sa. Whereas this one is called Satu Sa or Shukau Sa. But both of them are similar, okay? Both of them are Sa, okay? Sa. Whereas this one is called what? It's called what? Ra, okay? Ra. R-E. Ra. Ra. How about this one? This one is called what? Sha, okay? Sha. Sha, S-H-E, Sha, 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 okay? Sha. And this Amharic alphabet is called what? It's called what? Ka, okay? Ka. It's called Ka. How about this one? It's called what? B. B, okay? B. This Amharic alphabet is called B. B-E, B. How about this one? This Amharic alphabet is called what? T. T, okay? T. T-E, T. T. This one is called what? Ch, okay? Ch. This Amharic alphabet is called Ch. C-H-E, Ch. How about this one? Both of them are similar, but we can use them interchangeably, okay? It's called ha, okay? Ha. Both of them are called ha. Like we said, ha, there are two types of ha, harmeta and hamaruha. There are two types of sa, satusa and shukausa. Also, there are two types of ha, okay? This one is also ha, this one is also ha, okay? They can be used interchangeably. How about this one? It's called what? It's called na, okay? Na, N-E, na. This alphabet is called na. How about this one? It's called what? Nya, okay? Nya, nya, nya. How about this one? Both of them are similar, okay? They are called A, okay? A. Both of them are similar, okay? They are called A. This one is also A, this one is also A. So they can be used interchangeably, okay? A. How about this one? This is called what? K, okay? K. This alphabet is called K. K. How about this one? It's called what? The, okay? The. This alphabet is called the. The. Okay, how about this one? It's called what? Where. Where, okay? W-E, where. Where. And this alphabet is called what? The, okay? The, Z-E, the. This alphabet is called the. Next, this one. It's called what? Ja, okay? Ja. The previous one is the, whereas this one is what? Ja, okay? Ja, ja. Now we are seeing the 34 basic Amharic alphabets and the 18 special Amharic alphabets. Till now we are seeing the 34 basic Amharic alphabet, okay? How about this one? It's called what? It's called yeah, okay? Yeah. It is called yeah, yeah, Y-E, yeah. The next one, this alphabet is called what? It's called da, okay? Da. D-E, da, da. Okay. How about this one? It's called what? It's called ja, okay? Ja. Ja. G-E, ja. How about this one? It's called what? Ga, okay? Ga. This Amharic alphabet is called Ga, okay? G-E, Ga. Coming to the next, this one. It's called what? Ta, okay? It's called Ta. This Amharic alphabet is called Ta, Ta. X-E, Ta. Next one, this Amharic alphabet is called Ch, okay? Ch. C-H-E. Ch. Ch. How about this one? This Amharic alphabet is called what? P, okay? P. This is called P. When you pronounce it in your mouth, P, okay? P. How about this one? Both of them are similar. Like as we have seen previously, ha, there are two has, there are two says. These also are similar. There are two as. How about this one? It's called what? Tse, okay? Tse. Both of them are tse. This one is also tse, this one is also tse. Both of them can be used interchangeably, okay? They can be used interchangeably. So both of them are tse, tse, okay? Tse, tse. The next alphabet is called what? F, okay? F. F-E. F. F. Now we are on the last basic Amharic alphabets. We have said that there are 34 basic Amharic alphabets, and it starts with Ha, which are letter Ha, and ends with this letter, and it's called what? P, okay? P. So the last Amharic alphabet, or the 34 Amharic alphabet, is called what? P. This one is the last. As like in English, the first English alphabet is A, and the last English alphabet is Z or Z. So in Amharic, the first Amharic alphabet is Ha, which is letter Ha, and the last Amharic alphabet is called what? P. P. So this one is the last Amharic alphabet called P, okay? From the basic Amharic alphabets, P. So we have seen the 34 Amharic alphabets, the basic, okay? Main, okay? Under there, each of them has 6 subgroups, and we'll see that. So these are the main Amharic alphabets, the 34. So next we'll see the 18 special Amharic alphabets. So in Amharic alphabets, there are what? There are 18 special Amharic alphabets, and we'll see them, okay? And these Amharic special alphabets come from where? From the ordinary Amharic alphabets. They are derived themselves from what? From the ordinary Amharic alphabets. First one, this one. It's called what? Lua. When you pronounce them, they have the sound U, okay? Lua, L-U-A. All of them have a sound U, the special Amharic alphabet, the 18. So this one is called what? Lua. And this Amharic alphabet derives itself from the alphabet La, okay? It derives itself from the alphabet La, and it's called what? Lua, okay? Lua. It came from the alphabet La, okay? L-A. And its name is Lua, L-U-A. This one is called what? Lua. So the first special Amharic alphabet is called what? Lua, Lua. Okay? The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Moa, Moa, okay? M-U-A, Moa. And it derives itself, or it came from the alphabet what? Ma, Ma. M-A, Ma. Whereas this one is what? Moa, Moa. M-U-A, Moa. Okay? The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Rua, Rua. R-U-A, Rua, okay? And it derives itself from the Amharic alphabet Ra, okay? Ra, R-A, Ra. Whereas this one is Roa. So it's called what? Roa. Next, the next Amharic alphabet is called what? Swa, Swa. S-U-A, Swa, Swa. And it derives itself from the Amharic alphabet called what? Sa, Sa. From Sa, S-A, Sa. So Swa derives itself from Sa, okay? Sa. So this one is Swa, Swa, S-U-A, Swa. I have said you all of the special Amharic alphabets, in their sound, they have the U letter, okay? Lua, Lua, Moa, Roa, Swa, okay? U sound, okay? The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? This one? Shua, okay? Shua. S-H-U-A, Shua. and this Amharic alphabet derive itself from sha, S-H-A, sha. So this one is shwa, okay, shwa. Okay, the other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Boa. This one is called Boa, B-U-A, Boa. And it derives itself from Ba, okay? The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Twa. This one is called Twa, T-U-A, Twa. Next, the other special Amharic alphabet is called Chua. This one is called what? Chua, C-H-U-A, Chua, and it derives itself from the Amharic alphabet called Cha, okay? Cha. It came from Cha, and this one is called Chua, C-H-U-A, Chua. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Noa. This one is called Noa, N-U-A, Noa, okay? And it derives itself from Na, okay? From N-A, Na. So this one is called what? Noa, N-U-A, Noa. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? This one is called Noa, okay? Noa. That one is Noa, whereas this one is Noa, okay? Noa. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? It's called what? Zwa, okay? This one is called Zwa. Z-U-A, Zwa. And it derives itself from Za, okay? It came from the Amharic alphabet Za, and this is called Zwa, okay? Z-U-A, Zwa. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Zwa, okay? Zwa. It derives itself from the Amharic alphabet called what? Ja, okay? This one comes from Ja, and it's called, this one is called, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Zwa, okay? The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? It's called, this one is called what? Dua, okay? Dua. D-U-A, Dua. And it derives itself, or it came from what? Da, D-A, da. So Dua comes from Da, okay? Dua, D-U-A, comes from Da. So this special Amharic alphabet is called Dua. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Jua. This one is called Jua. J-U-A, Jua, okay? Jua comes from Ja, okay? It came from Amharic alphabet called Ja, okay? So this one is called what? Jua, J-U-A, Jua. The next special Amharic alphabet is called what? This one is called Twa, okay? Twa. X-U-A, Twa. Twa comes from the Amharic alphabet Ta, okay? Ta. It came from, this one came from Ta. Okay, so this one is called Twa. X-U-A, Twa. Okay. The other special Amharic alphabet, it's called what? Chua. This one is called Chua. C-H-U-A, Chua. And it came from the Amharic alphabet Cha, okay? Cha. So Chua comes from Cha. So this one is called Chua. C-H-U-A, Chua. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Tswa, okay? Tswa. This one is called Tswa. It came from what? Tsa. Tswa. T-S-U-A, Tswa. So the special Amharic alphabet called Tswa comes from what? Tsa. It came from Tsa. So this one is called Tswa. The last special Amharic alphabet is called what? Fwa, okay? Fwa. F-U-A, Fwa. So, special Amharic alphabet called Fwa comes from Fa, okay? Fa. This Fwa comes from Fa. So, the last special Amharic alphabet is called what? Fwa.